And I have a wonderful analogy, and it just fits in exactly to what you're saying. I feel like, um, and I usually use this analogy as a kind of comparison between why individuals should be using a broker as opposed to a bank. But I think it fits here as well, where with banks, as well as just trying to find the lowest rate. It's kind of like you are going to a bank. Banks don't have a lot of different products. They can only sell you what they have. And so if your shoe size is an 11 or 12 or whatever, and they don't have that, they're just going to size you up to a 13, and off you go. Whereas if you want to have proper shoes and the proper size, you have to make, I say always go to a broker, because you guys have just, you have a wealth of information. You have a wealth of products. And over time, when you're, the biggest thing for me is when my mortgage renews, if and I love banks, I don't have anything against banks, but if a mortgage specialist is good at what they do, they're no longer going to be there in 5 years. Whereas if they if it's questionable, they'll be there in 5 years. With mortgage brokers, if they really know what they're doing, is when they're going to be there 5 years.